Hello friends, good morning. So today, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn conservation of water. So how can you save water? Write in the comment box that how can you save water. So let's move on to the next slide. Okay. My teacher was Srishti ma'am yesterday. She was doing biotechnology from JUIT, mentored 7,000 plus students, 4 plus years of teaching experience, mentored international Olympiad rank holders. So let's move on. So this is the class summary. So look guys, here the green part is this much land and this is the total percent of water, and this percent is salt water, and this blue percent is not fresh water. This water is other, and this much percent groundwater and ice caps, and others is okay. Others, we can say that this much is domestic, and this much is in domestic means our like agricultural use, like normal use. I mean not agricultural use but normal use. This much is normal use, and this much is industrial use, and this much is agricultural used. So you have got it. So let's move on. Rudra wants to know how much percentage of Earth's surface is covered with water. So this question very easy. I have also told you. So you can answer by yourself. 3, 2, 1, go. The question starts now. 1, 2, 3. And the answer is B, 70%. Help Kamakshi to understand ocean water contains salt, sugar, oil, spices. So the question starts in 3, 2, 1 and go. 1, 2, 3. And the answer is salt. Ocean water contains salt. It's also written here. Arav Miss Siri ma'am's class. Help in understand which of the following consumes most amount of water. House usage, industries, agriculture, or cooking. This is very easy and you all can do it. The question starts now. 1, 2, 3. And the answer is agriculture. Agriculture consumes 70% of all usable water. So today we are going to learn all these 5 things: rainwater conservation, conservation of water at home, water purification method. We will just cut this because we won't do live experiments. We will total do the 4 things. So friends, remember me, I am Aqua. So I have attended in the last class, but I didn't give you the PPT because I didn't start that time the the video making. So hello students, I am Mr. Aqua. He is Mr. Aqua. I am back here to tell you about conservation of water. Water conservation. Okay, this domestic use is 8% and industry use is 22% and 70% is agriculture. Means total it is so much. So now we will learn the first method, water conservation in agriculture. Compared to traditional irrigation methods, the use of drip irrigation can lead to water savings up to 40%. So let's move on. So this pond is made by man. Okay, this is a man-made pond. So water conservation in agriculture, you can see this pond is made by man because this pond is sometimes it is not like it is so clear. If it were natural, it would have been not so clear. So when it rains, the water falls directly here. So yeah, water scarcity is a problem in our country. What are the ways by which we can conserve water? Rainwater harvesting, drip irrigation, deforestation. So the question starts now. 1, 2, 3, and the answer is A, because rainwater harvesting. We can conserve water by rainwater harvesting and drip irrigation, and not deforestation. So the answer is A, only 1 and 2. Students, please help me understand what is rainwater harvesting. So do you know what is rainwater harvesting? Let's see. Rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is a method of collecting rainwater and storing for future use. So the rain is going on this roof, then it is sliding down here, then here is the tanker, and there is the tap where we use the water. So in the process of that, there might be some leaves and debris and dirt on the water. So there is an filter that cleans all the cleans the water. So let's move on. The rainwater is collected from the rooftops with the help of pipes. The rainwater is then stored in a tank. So you got it. Let's move on. the rainwater is stored in these tanks. So the rainwater is collected from the rooftops with the help of pipes. So let's move on. Rucha ma'am is confused and asking Junali ma'am about rainwater harvesting. Please help them understand. Okay. So this question is very easy. So you can do it. 3, 2, 1, start. The question begins now. 1, 2, 3. And the answer is D. Collecting rainwater and storing for future use. Let's move on. So, how can you save me in industries? Because when so much water is used in industries, they can also use a type of machine which use less water. So, and look, upgrade to water efficient equipment. Efficient means which uses less particular object. So see, there's an efficient cooling towers. They could also make it like this. Rainwater harvesting where can rain harvesting can be where can a rainwater harvesting can be implemented. So cities and villages, societies, school, institutions, commercial premises, everywhere. So the question starts now. 1, 2, 3. And the answer is everywhere. Here, everywhere. So, at home, how can you save me? So, Mr. Aqua is saying that how can you save water at your home? By fixing the leakages. We can also use a washing machine on full load. If we do it in a half load, we have to again wash, then again wash another pile. So let's move on. What's the most efficient way to wash clothes? Wash clothes with 15 buckets of water. Use a washing machine with 2-3 clothes only. Use a washing machine with full load. None of the above. The question starts now. 1, 2, 3. And the answer is C. Use a washing machine with full load. How? Use a dishwasher with full load. I think ma'am has written it wrong. So saving water in bathroom. Turn off tap while brushing teeth. Take shorter baths. Turn off tap while applying soap. Turn off tap after each use. So we all know these rules, but we should implement it. We just all know these rules, but we don't save water. So from now on, you will save water. I also save water. So students, have you ever heard of grey water? So today not a grey color water. Grey water is something else. Look, what can be used? Look, first, oh, now it's after question. Grey water sources. So pre-treatment, soap, shower. These are some of the grey water examples, and I'm going to explain how it works. So I'm going to show you a video and you will see it. Okay, so here's a video on grey water treatment. So there's no sound. First, we use all the water. This is not the efficient way. Can you see? All the water is being used from here. Oh, from here also, from here also, from here and from here and from here, from the toilet and from the sink and from the shower. So this is the inefficient way. Now we will see. Look. Look. Now this is a real method. Okay. Look here. Now the person is bathing with a shower, and the water is also being used. But it goes to the treatment plant, and when it gets full, and then it purified, then it is done. You got it? The thing we bath with, it also gets used with it. This also reduce waste. Okay, so let's move on to the slide. So I am going to show you another video on rainwater harvesting, which I have not shown you yet how rainwater harvesting works. Just let me do it. Water harvesting. So here, look, rainwater harvesting. So you have to understand how it works. We have this in our home. So this is a filter inlet. Okay, this is the filter inlet, and this is the pipe. So this is a filter inlet outlet. So it has so many look. It has so many debris in this, and leaves and debris also. It also, so then it spins. Then there's an SS304 filter element, which helps it to clean the water. Look, the leaves and all the debris are now out. And see. Dirt and debris. Now it is getting cleaned, and here recharging it well. Bore well. open well, so it gets sucked like this. Quality of now water is good. So dirt, water and clogging. Self-cleaning technology, it has open-ended drain outlet, flushing out dirt and debris. So you got it. So let's move on to our slides. Okay, so now we have understand that how these two, grey water and rainwater harvesting, works. So which of the following is not a source of grey water? You have now saw the video. So it has asked which is not a source of grey water. So you have to find which is not the source of grey water. So the question starts now. 1, 2, 3. And the answer is toilet. Toilets can't be used as grey water. Which household system typically collects and reuses grey water? So this is question is very easy, and it is also written in the first line also. So the question starts now. 1, 2, 3. And the answer is grey water recycling system. Grey water harvesting system. Wow, students, we learned about so many new things. Water may contain impurities in it. Impurities are unwanted substances. Look here. Impurities. These are impurities, and these are soluble. Some type of impurity soluble and insoluble. Soluble is do not dissolve in water. Soluble is dissolved in water. So do you know how can we do water purification? So this is very easy method. So let's do it. Do you know that which paper is used for cleaning? Not butter paper, not another paper, any paper. It is a special paper called these are type of boiling techniques, but I will tell you it later. I know, but I will not tell you now. It is called, how can you these are some types of boiling, filtration, chlorination and sedimentation and decantation. How can you boil me? Boiling is the simplest way of purifying water. Water is heated at a high temperature. Do you know, guys, water is heated actually at 100 degrees Celsius. It is so hot. Water is heated at high temperatures. So what is filtration? Do you know what is filtration? So if filter, it is this paper is called filter paper. Insoluble impurities can be removed by this method. A filter paper allows the water to pass through but holds the solid particles. So here let's move on. Which paper is used to filter water? Butter paper, filter paper, normal paper, none of the above. So the question starts now. 1, 2, 3. And the answer is filter paper. How many of you like swimming? I also like swimming. So do you know, in the swimming pool, have you seen the blue color water? It is not the reflection of the sky. It is the chlorine. Without the chlorine, it won't last long. If the chlorine is added at a proper amount, then it is good. If it's added more, but it is bad. Okay. So let's move on. Chlorination. Chlorine. Chlorination. Chlorine is added to water. It kills germs and makes the water pure. So the chlorination, it kills all the germs and makes the water pure. So let's move on. So chlorine is added to water. It kills germs and makes the swimming water pure. The chlorine is used in swimming pools. So let's move on. How does chlorination of water help into purifying it? It makes the water oxygen free. It kills all the germs in the water. It makes the water tasty. It makes the water colorless. The question starts now. 1, 2, 3. And the answer is, it makes the water, it kills all the germs in the water. How can it make the water tasty? Lol. Chlorine kills all the germs in the water. So now this is an easy question. There are no options given. You have to tell it by your own. So the question starts now. 3, 2, 1 and go. 1, 2, 3. And the answer is chlorination. So correct answer is chlorine. So let's sedimentation. It is the process in which insoluble heavy impurities settle down at the bottom. So this is an experiment. Bring some dirt, then and put it in the water. Then you will see after some time you can anymore see the dirt because it has already flown away. Not flown away, but it will reach the down part. If you only have a microscope, you can see. So sedimentation, It's the process in which insoluble heavy impurities settle down at the bottom. It matters on the weight. Here we can say weight. If it has no weight, it will only float in the water. If it is a weight, means it will float on. It won't float on water. What is the term given for sedimentation? Sediment, pellet, filtrate, supernatant, natant, supernatant. You have not learned this yet, so I'll cut this out. So it can be any of these three options. The question starts now. 1, 2, 3, and the answer is filtrate. How? Oh, sediment. Oh, I thought that it was a filtration question. During the ash, the solid particles that settle down, forming a dash layer, filtration, decantation, sedimentation, or none of the above. The question starts now. 1, 2, 3. The answer is sedimentation. Okay, now we will study a decantation. After sedimentation, the clear upper waste is poured out in a different container. It must be poured very slow, or the dirt water will come out. Can you see the dirt here? You can see the dirt here, and this is the water. So the blue color is the water. So let's leave this part, and it is so poured so slowly. So let's move on. What will happen if you keep the mud under water for disturbed for some time? Mud particles will move constantly in the solution. Mud particles will settle down at the bottom. So the question starts now. 1, 2, 3. And the answer is B. The mud particles will settle down at the bottom. Sedimentation depends on which of the following factors: size, color, weight, shape. This question I will give you as a homework. So also this question and here. Now you will also do this also. I'll just show you the summary. So this is the summary of the class. So these are some worksheets. This one is mandatory. If you also do this, you will also get highlighted, and in the next video I'll give all the shout outs. So until then, goodbye.